In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the header and footer areas inside the Wix platform. This feature can be really handy if you want a clean, distraction-free page for specific content. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to access your Wix website editor. Head over to your Wix account, find your site, and open it in the editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to tweak your site's design to fit your needs perfectly. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention towards the left side panel and click on the Pages and Menu tab. This tab is your gateway to managing all the different sections of your website. It's here you can find the full list of all your site's pages. Next, select the page where you want to hide the header and footer. Simply click on the page, which will bring up a few additional options. You're going to look for a little three-dot icon. Clicking on this gives you access to more detailed options for the page you've selected. At this point, you'll see an option labeled Hide from Menu. Clicking on this does exactly what it says. It hides that specific page from being displayed in the site's main navigation menu. This option is particularly useful if you're working on a page that isn't quite ready to be visible to your visitors. Now let's proceed further by clicking on More Actions at the bottom of the menu that appeared earlier. It provides you with a few more controls over your page settings. Select Settings from this menu to delve even deeper into the customization options available for your page. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Layout. Clicking on this will allow you to control the structural elements of your page. This is where we have the ability to modify how the page appears, including removing elements such as headers and footers. Look for the option that says No Header and Footer and tick the checkbox next to it. By choosing this, you're telling Wix to remove the header and footer from this particular page, giving you a full blank slate to work with. This setting is fantastic when you need your page content to take center stage, without any distractions at the top or bottom. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save button, and your edits will be safely stored. Always remember, saving frequently ensures that none of your hard work is lost, especially if you're making multiple changes. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden the header and footer areas on your chosen Wix page. This option empowers you to create a streamlined, professional look for specific pages, enhancing the overall user experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more website building tips and tricks.